Okay, welcome back to our introductory lesson on RStudio. This is the second video in the series, and so what I would like to talk about for this video is just simply where to begin. And the easiest place to begin is to download RStudio to your desktop or laptop, whichever you prefer. But before I show you how to do that, I want to specify that you should download the free open source version of the software. The beauty of R and RStudio are they're free programs. But when I go to this website, I'll show you why you want to be really careful and make sure you pick the right one. So go to rstudio.com. This link here takes us to the website, rstudio.com. And you can choose your version of RStudio. I use the RStudio desktop open source license. But notice if, we have a version here that is a commercial license for $1,000 a year. Pro version, it's $10,000 a year, and this other one, it's $30,000 a year. I don't really know why you would need to use those expensive versions, especially probably for your purposes, as being, just using this for basic statistical analyses of inferential and descriptive statistics. Can't imagine you'd ever need anything beyond the free version, so you'll want to click on download on this version here, and it'll take you down to the installer depending on your platform. You have Windows here, you have Mac here. I use a Mac, so I'm going to click on this one. But of course, if you use Windows, by all means, click on the one above. It's downloading. Takes a minute, but it is downloading. So RStudio, it's going to pull up. I've already downloaded this, so actually should be pretty easy. It might look a little bit different again because I have downloaded this software already. So here it is. Normally I would drag it over to applications if I'm downloading it for the first time, but since I'm not, I'm just going to open it up. So give it a sec. It's opening up. It's verifying RStudio. It's going to ask me if I'm sure here in just a moment. Are you sure you want to open the software? Because I'm downloading it from an internet source. Yes, I am sure. So open. And slowly but surely, RStudio is coming up. And voila, there's RStudio. So I've already done some work using RStudio, obviously. So some of my work is already here in the environment. But typically, like, this is empty, and this stuff, might be empty as well if you're opening up RStudio for the first time. But this is kind of what it should look like. Your console should look like where your output is. It'll have some of the copyright information here. Not super important, but feel free to read through it if you'd like when you actually get your RStudio downloaded. But on the next video, I'll show you actually all of what these different windows are, and what they're used for, and why they're important, and all that. So, anyways, that's just how to get RStudio onto your desktop or your laptop. So tune in for next time to see actually what some of this stuff is and how to use it. All right, thanks.